Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Repligen. Now, we have a growth stock list in the premium section here of Stock Market Mentor, and those stocks are doing really well. A lot of stocks are. It's what happens when the market goes higher like it is. Well, I just added Repligen on Friday, hoping and kind of believing that the stock was going to break out today. And in fact, it did. And so I'm just pointing this out to you because I think this stock has more juice in it. The way I'm looking at it is we can draw Darvas boxes, Nicholas Darvas. If you don't know who he is, just Google him and then you'll know. And he's a good trader, had a great technique. But, you know, this is really how I see these trading boxes here. And so the stock broke out from this one, right? And then formed this new one. And then a couple weeks ago, it broke out from the top of this one through the 50-day moving average and then formed this one. And so this was what I was looking at on Friday. I was saying, okay, I see this stock here. I see what's happening. This is kind of, you know, having a little turnaround here, back up above the 50-day moving average. I think this thing could move. And so it did today. Bottom line, I don't think it's too late to buy this stock. It would have been nice to buy it Friday, like right at the open, of course. But I don't think it's too late to buy this stock now. You can be buying the stock at 86.43, and you don't have to keep a stop down here. The whole reason, think about this, the whole reason you're buying the stock is because you think that this breakout is a real one and the stock's going to continue higher. And so because of that, you can put a stop, not here. Sorry, I'm having a hard time like operator error on my arrows. You can put a stop right there, just a little bit below the breakout point, so you're actually not risking that much money, and in return you're getting the opportunity to participate in maybe at least a $10, maybe a $12 swing. So anyway, I thought I'd point it out to you. And by the way, one of the reasons it's on the growth stock list is the fundamentals are darn good. And so that's another reason. I think this is institutional buying that's going to be pushing this stock higher. Okay, that's it. Members, some trades for you tomorrow on the strategy session. Sorry about that.